Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is a brief one and is focused on how to cut another type of scrub neckline. If you could remember, I already did a tutorial on how to cut a scrub neckline, but this particular type is the one that goes around the neck. I already drafted the blouse block, the front and back placed on each other. The back bodice has the joining. And for my neckline, I'll be using 3.5 inches for the width and 1 inch for the back depth. So 1 inch is okay for the back depth. For the front, I'll use 9.5 inches for the neck depth. So after marking the 9.5 inches, I'll just go in by ½ inch. Then I'll connect it to the neck width. So the first thing I'll do after cutting out the neckline is to join the shoulder. I'll hold it with ½ inch. I'll just place the front and back together before holding it with ½ inch. You know how we do that. So here I've joined the shoulder together with ½ inch. And the next thing is to pick the collar. And what I'll do is just to fold it together. I will fold it together and hold the neck depth like this. The front neck depth and the back neck depth, I'll hold it this way. Then I'll measure the length. I have here 13¾ Then I'll add 3 inches for allowance. And with the allowance, I'll have like 13 and 16¾ or 17. You can use 17. Here is the strip I cut out for the collar. And here I have like, it's as long as 34 inches. I already added interface to it. For the depth of this strip, I made use of 3.5 inches and on fold I have 1¾ So if I measure the depth by spreading it, I'll have 3.5. So I'll just fold it together and notch it at the center. The back bodice too has already been notched, especially since there is a joining at the center back. So I'll place both notches together and pin. It's better I pin it round before sewing so I can have a nice finishing. And after pinning, I'll come over here and mark ½ inch at this particular place, and then I'll make sure that I mark it on the blue strip. And after marking it, I'll join the lines together. Then after that, I'll start my stitching from here. I'll sew round and stop over here. So here is the neckline after stitching. The next thing I'll do is to flip it over, and before I flip it over, I'll need to slit this particular place. The place where I marked the ½ inch, I'll need to slit it, but when slitting, I'll do it in a slanty manner. And after slitting it, I'll just flip it over. So what I'll do now is just to open up this place. Once I open it, I'll stitch down this place, and I'll make sure that I pin it before taking it to the sewing machine so that I can sew it very well. And once I'm done stitching, I'll just trim off the excess and overlock it. So here I've already stitched it down, so I'll just cut off this excess. And after cutting, I'll just overlock it, and that will be all for the neckline. So guys, that is how to achieve a scrub neckline that goes around the neck. The last thing for me to do is just to finish off the blouse. It's a rush blouse. I'll just go ahead and fold the sleeve hem. And after folding the sleeve hem, I'll take the side seam, I'll fold the hemline and insert strip to both sides of the blouse for ruch effect because it's a ruch blouse. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, thank you so much for watching till the end, and please do not forget to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. Expect another tutorial very soon. Bye.